Hi, today is December 19th, 2018. It's approximately 1:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My name is Olawale Okabola, and here to bring you hopefully some live trades of the Fed announcement. I love Fed days. I tend to do well on Fed days. It's purely just a structural play. So let me show you what I got, and we'll see what happens. Let's bring this out real quick. I got to talk real fast because I got like 4 minutes to go. Okay. Let's do this. Copy this. Remove. All right. Here we go today. All right. First, we got a weak low two right here. D and E. One tick above yesterday's point of control. I deem that to be weak and exacting. Also, in addition, a period low. Oh, I thought they bought above, a tick above. Yeah, it's a tick above the overnight half back, this A period low. So that is deemed weak as well. Okay, I'm talking fast. I'm having problems with Snagit, so I'm going to have to break my videos up. Okay, so we have a weak low at the low, which is here. Okay, and I have two weak lows, D and E. Okay, to the upside, I don't believe I have anything to talk about. I do. This I period high is an incomplete comparator. This comparator is a tool that I use. Here, I'll quickly show it to you. Right here, it's green. It's supposed to be red. So it shows that the auction is not completed to the upside. All right, got 2 more minutes before we get going. I might as well just keep it on and just start a new video after the Fed announcement. Okay, what we have to the upside, if we take out this incomplete comparator here, we got another anomaly, which is the point of control. And also up here, we have a poor high, which I believe is also, yeah, they sold 3 times from the settle right here. 3 times they sold from the settle. So there's just been trading money that sent this market down. I made a video about how I believe the market was short. So today, I just didn't know how short, and I don't know if everyone is corrected. We got 1 minute before the Fed announcement comes. Let me get my dome ready. I am trading. Um, I have my dome on a different monitor. So if I can get it to work, let's see what we got. We got like a minute left. I think this announcement is already out. And here I am fooling around just in the chart. I usually don't force a trade. Kind of see what happens and let it happen. I showed you what I'm looking at. And this zone here is the chop zone. We have this rally high, values above this rally high. Keep in mind, value is unchanged. And the point of control is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wide. All right, so it's becoming, almost prominent. And there we go. The market is gone without me. All right, so the market needs to keep this double distribution. We got an incomplete comparator at the low. Okay. Wow, look at this market go, huh? How do you like them apples? And we got an incomplete comparator on the high. All right. So the market's trading lower. Let's clean up these weak lows. Have not cleaned it up yet. Now it's clean. We got a good comparator right here. That is a no. The comparator is weak. So we're just going to wait and see what happens. Value now is slightly overlapping to lower. overlapping to higher. I apologize. My mind is racing. And we have an incomplete comparator at the high. Okay. So I'm watching that. The point of control is 8 wide, meaning that the point of control is not going to move. So if the market's going to do something, it needs to, if the market's going to do something to the downside, it needs to maintain a double distribution, or we're coming back, or it needs to one time frame lower. If the market does anything to the upside, it needs to double distribute higher or continue to one time frame higher, or the market is going to get pulled back, one, by value being just overlapping to unchanged. Overlapping, I apologize, I'm just talking fast and thinking fast, and the point of control is at 8 wide. Okay, so we've cleared up those two poor weak lows that I talked about. We have an incomplete comparator, meaning that there's probably more action to the downside. I have my zones in. uh, for possible places in the market where I would perhaps take a trade. Depends on what happens. Okay, this comparator is complete. We are trading outside the developing value area. If we get back in 62 quarter, I would be interested. Now I'm not interested because it's an incomplete comparator. We're outside of this chop zone. We're trading below this rally high, but keep value in mind. Keep value in mind. Value is still clearly above the rally high. Now we have some completion. But the market wants to continue to trade lower. Again, if we trade lower, we need to maintain a double distribution, or at the very least continue to one time frame lower starting from J period. If we cannot do that, the market more than likely will be pulled back to value. This is an expanded profile. This is the collapse profile. Both are the same days. So we're keeping value in mind. We talked about the point of control. So now we're just waiting for some completion. My dome was going bananas. Still an incomplete comparator. We're only 4 minutes in to the Fed announcement. What is that Fed announcement? I don't know. I don't care. All I care about is what real money is doing in front of me. That's just my personal thing. All right, we're trading lower. I am now paying attention to what happens here in this zone as the market sells off. All right, we have taken out A's low. 49.50, I'll be interested. Up. I just 49 quarter. Okay, I'm in. I am in at 49 quarter. Right here. Doing too much one time. I got 4 contracts on. I got my stop a tick above break even. So my stop is at, I'm in at 49 quarter, so my stop is at 49 half. I want to see whether or not we can get back in the developing value area. Okay, I'm going to take one contract off, adjust my stop. Still at 49.50. I took one contract off and I probably would get stopped out. Okay, I got stopped out on the rest. One contract made it. Got me a, I don't know where I got out. And the rest was a tick above break even. So I got stopped out and now the market's heading back up. The reason why I took that trade, I talked about it. Value is still overlapping the higher, and the point of control is 8Y, meaning that the market's not going anywhere. I really want this video to record, so I'm going to stop this video right here and pick up with a part 2. Stand by.